Alright, here after the Griffin install. It's 95% done. Had to top everything off and everything. Still got to burp it, but making sure the initial startup's good. I'm actually going to do a cold start because it hasn't been ran in a year. So, look at all that room now. Look at that. All that room. I'm going to clean it up and dress it up later, but this is just so I can get out of storage and get it home so I can do other good stuff. Let's see how it sounds from outside. Oh. Wait for everything to zero out. Two sensors, or wideband sensors. Let's see. Yeah, the battery's only been on for 8 minutes now. And here we go. Not too shabby. Turbo's still working. Yay! Still cooling in there. I did a steam tube bypass, spliced it into the middle of the upper hose. Big stuff down there. This will go away. Fans are there. I'm gonna put something to cover this up later. Clean up some engine compartment stuff, but so far so good. No leaking.